Till now, we were adding values to the list during declaration, that is programming like this. But in most cases, we have to add the values to the list during execution based on the different condition. We call it adding value to the list during runtime. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. And in this session, we will learn how to add elements to the list. Basically, there are three ways in which we can add element to the list. The first is append, the second is insert, and the third is extend. Let's see them one by one. Let's declare a variable, numbers, and assign it to an empty list. That is empty square brackets. In the next line, write numbers, then dot, then function append, and inside append, write 50 in brackets. Then print the variable numbers. Let's run the code. You see 50 is added to the list. Now we will modify our program a bit. We will ask the user to enter the input and convert that into an integer like this. Now we will write numbers dot append and in brackets variable n. Let's run the code. Enter the input. Well, we got the correct output. Now we will accept three inputs from the user and store them in variable xyz. And in the next line, write code to append xyz to numbers variable. Again run the code. Enter the input as 10, 20 and 30. Well, we got the correct output. While using the append function, always remember one thing. Append adds the element at the end of the list. Hence, in this example, we got 10 and then 20 and then 30. Well, this is all about append. Now, we will look into insert. Insert is the function of the list which inserts the value at specific index. Let's understand this with an example. Declare a list of numbers with the initial value of 10, 20 and 30. Then display the numbers using a print statement. Now we will write the numbers variable and then insert function, and inside the insert function write the index 2 and then the value as 100. Display the list using a print statement. Now run the program. This is the output before the insert statement and this is the output after the insert statement. The value is inserted at the index 2. That is 10 is at index 0, 20 is at index 1 and we have 100 index 2. Well, I guess the definition is clear now. Insert function adds the value at specific index in the list and it accepts two parameters. First is the index or the position and second is the value. Now we have third function to extend the list. Extend function merge the second list with the first one. Let's see how. Suppose we have two lists A and B with values 10, 20, 30 and 40, 50, 60 respectively. Now we will write A dot then extend and in bracket B. Now print the variable A. Now run the code. You see list A has all its value plus the values of B. It is sort of merging. I will suggest you try different values, same values and see how these three functions work. And if you have any query, please contact us. To summarize, we studied three functions: append, insert and extend. Append adds the value at the end of the list. Insert puts the value in a specific position in the list. And extend joins the data in the to list. If you are wondering why we are learning so much about list, please be patient. We will soon execute some critical example that will explain why list and its functions are so important. At last, I request you to practice hard and thanks for watching.